Your last trade was perfect. Clean entry. 1 to 2, risk to reward. Rules followed. No impulse. No hesitation. You did everything right. Then the market reversed and stopped you out. Now here's the real question. What happened inside you? Did you calmly accept it? Or did something darker wake up? Did you feel the urge to prove the market wrong? Did you feel offended? That voice, that wasn't logic. That was your ego. And it's silently destroying your edge. Most traders blame everything except the real problem. It's my strategy. It's the spread. It's manipulation. It's algorithms. No, it's you. More specifically, your ego. Your ego wants you to believe you're special. It whispers that rules are for average traders, not you. And every time you listen, you hand your money to someone who doesn't. Intelligence does not protect you in the markets. You can be brilliant. You can understand macroeconomics. You can backtest 10 years of data and still blow up. Why? Because trading is not a chess match. It's a psychological battlefield. The market doesn't care about your degree. It only cares about one thing. Can you follow your plan? When your ego is screaming to break it, your ego hates being wrong. It connects your self-worth to your trade outcome. Win? You're a genius. Lose? You're a failure. So, what do? You move your stop. You widen your risk. You tell yourself you're being flexible. But really, you're protecting your ego. And instead of losing $100, you lose $300. Not because of the market, because you couldn't accept being wrong. Your ego craves certainty. It wants control. So you add more indicators, more analysis, more news, more opinions. But here's the truth. You cannot control price. You cannot control volatility. You cannot control outcomes. The only things you control are your entry, your exit, your risk, your reaction. That's it. Professionals think in probabilities. Amateurs think in predictions. And prediction feeds ego. Probability feeds discipline. Social media is ego fuel. You see someone post $10,000 profit. Your ego whispers, "You're behind. They're better. You need to catch up." So you increase lot size. You overtrade. You force setups. You abandon your system. You chase validation. But you don't see their losses. You don't see their drawdowns. You don't see the years behind that screenshot. Comparison kills discipline. Professionals don't compare profits. They compare execution. Here's the shift that changes everything. You don't need to know what happens next. You just need to execute your edge. Say this: I don't know what the market will do, and I don't need to. When you truly accept uncertainty, the need to be right disappears. Losses stop feeling personal, and emotional neutrality becomes your superpower. You are not your win rate. You are not your last trade. A losing trade does not make you stupid. A winning trade does not make you a genius. Create a new identity. Not "I am profitable," but "I am a disciplined executor." That identity survives losses, and that identity builds consistency. Your ego survives in the shadows. Journaling exposes it. After every trade, write, "Why did I enter? What did I feel? Did I follow my rules? What was my ego saying?" Patterns will appear. You'll see revenge trading. You'll see fear of missing out. You'll see overconfidence. And once you see it, you can interrupt it. More information does not equal more control. It equals more emotional noise. During trading hours, no Twitter, no news, no opinions. Plan before session. Execute during session. Reflect after session. That's it. Your edge needs clarity, not chaos. Losses are not punishment. They are tuition. Sometimes the lesson is, this was a good trade that didn't work. Sometimes it's, I broke my rules. Both are education. If every loss triggers anger or revenge, your ego is still in control. Here's the test. Take a trade. Follow your rules perfectly. Get stopped out? How do you feel? If you feel anger, ego is alive. If you feel neutral, you're evolving. If you feel satisfied because you executed perfectly, you're ready for consistency. The market doesn't care about your intelligence. It doesn't care about your predictions. It doesn't care about your need to be right. It only cares about one thing. Can you execute your plan? While your ego screams at you to break it, kill your ego before it kills your account.